Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video we are going to talk about how to install Node.js in your Windows operating system. So here you can see this is Node.js official site. So here you can see the nodejs.org/docs/getting started/Windows. This is our Node.js Windows installation guide. So here you can see running on Windows. So how to install Node.js in Windows? Here you can see a quick start. So there are several steps to install Node.js. First of all, here you can see install Node.js. This is Node.js official website, and here you can see the download file. So this is Windows installer file. So I am just clicking here and it is going to download. So I have already downloaded it, so I just cancel, and here you can see this is the Node.js v 18.15.0 and Windows 64-bit. Now I'm going to install it. So you have seen I'm just install it, and here you can see this is taking some time to calculating my computer space. And now I'm going to next, and I'll accept the terms license agreement, then click next, again next. And also here you can see some partition or that customize your setup for Node. So I'm just checking and doing it by default and going to the next. And here you can see that automatically install the necessary tools for this Node JavaScript. And note that this will also install chocolate and script pop-up window after the installation. I don't need this, so I'm just clicking next and clicking install. So it will take some time to install this. Okay. Okay, so I have already installed it successfully, and now click finished. Okay, so I'm going back to the second option here, and we have already installed Node JavaScript. And now here you need to open command prompt and check the Node version or npm Node JavaScript package version. So now I'm going to open my command prompt, and where open it as run as administrator. Okay. So here if we type the Node version, so Node version, and here you can see similar things. Also npm also will be similar. So we are going back, and now we are going to install Node.js. So how to install this Node.js? And here you can see the following line in command window. So I'm just copying this and paste here and just install. So it will take some time depending on your Wi-Fi or internet connection. Okay, so our Node.js is successfully installed, and here we can see added 8 packages, removed 70 packages, and change total 284 package. So our Node.js installed successfully, and now we can run this Node.js. So how to run Node.js on our PC? So we're just going back and just type node slash red. So here you can see starting our Node.js and JavaScript need to allow. So we are going to allow, and here you can see our Node.js has already installed, and we are successfully run it. And here you can see the local IP. So this is our local IP and this is port. So just copy this IP address. So I'm just copying and we'll paste it on our browser. So I'm just paste and pressing enter. Great. So here you can see we have successfully installed this Node.js, and here a quick start. uh, so we are just next, next and next. Okay, so this is our Node.js area, and here you can see there is some node, like there are some common node, function, and some network node, sequence node, process, and storage. So this called node. Looks like if we check this complete, so this is a node, and we can simply drag and drop, and this section is called a flow, where we can program, and we can program with this node. So simply we can drag and drop this node here, and we can connect each to other by dragging this line. So this are input, so we need like a switch or function, so we can simply connect, looks like. Well, and if you need to remove any node, we just simply select and press the delete from keyboard here. And also if we want to delete from, just click the right button of mouse and select delete, and here you can see the delete section. So this is our Node.js flow. Here you can program, and these are nodes, and here you can see some important settings, like how many flows in here, or how many part. We can simply create or add some new flow here, and here you can configure these nodes, this. And also you can find this information and help. So this is a help book that are used for every node. So this is our Node.js installation process. Thank you.